Right, my turn. E4.
Missed. Let's see. E5.
Oh, no! Oh, clever slime. How do you do it?
It's a special slime skill because I'm the terror of all paper seas. Yo ho, yo ho.
That's
What
it.
do you mean?
I'm not playing with you anymore. You win every time.
Aw, come on, Samantha. But who's gonna play with me now? Sue's refusing to play too. Maybe you'll play, or you? Though you're probably going to defeat me. Oh, Samantha, let's play one more round, or 10.
No. I've had enough. Get lost.
I'm not giving up so easily.
Delicious. What? Oh, that slime. Something's wrong. What's this? Again? Sam, come here, Sly Slime.
Yeah.
I had enough of your pieces of paper, so we're going to make you a Warship battle game from cardboard with real ships and cannons.
Ooh, shiver me cheddars.
Hey everyone! I want Sam to stop torturing me with his pieces of paper, so today...
Here.
Wait! Today we're going to make...
You'll need this as well.
I know what I'll need. Let me finish the phrase.
All right, go on.
Today we'll be making...
A Warship battle game from cardboard.
If you are so full of energy, make it yourself.
No, Samantha. I'm just eager to start.
Eager, eh? Well then, here, you paper lover.
What's that?
The instructions on how to make the most important part of the game, the ships. Here.
Ooh, then I'm off.
Go on. While that slime is busy, I can start the craft. First, we're going to make the main part of the game, battle turrets. Let's take some cardboard and a ruler and measure a rectangle 10 by 6 centimeters. It kind of reminds me of school. Did you ever use a ruler outside school? Write in the comments. Here, and now I need to draw.
Hey, Samantha, the instructions say to use sticks. Can I take popsicle sticks? Are there any left?
Hey, how should I know? Look in Sue's craft boxes.
Okay.
Where was I? Oh, yes. I need to draw circles. 1.5 centimeters. Voila! A perfect circle is done. Even 2. Now let's cut them out. Well, you know what to do with a cutter. Mind your fingers and all that. Done! Now we need to insert the tubes made of...
Hey guys, did you know that warship battles have been going on for more than 3,000 years? Can you imagine that?
What I imagine is that you're not making ships. You're reading Wikipedia.
I'm off.
Remember, if there are no ships, there's no game. Right. I've secured a tube made of flexible cardboard with hot glue all over the diameter. Now I need to connect this thingy to it. Looks pretty cool, eh? Now I need to repeat it on the other side. But shh, it's a secret mechanism, so we need to hide it. One wall and another wall. Phew, I'm getting tired. How does Sue make such craft so patiently? I need a break.
Listen, Samantha, Hey, Samantha!
I'm here. What?
I'm working and you're eating something.
Well, that's how our duties are divided. What do you want, Pig Squeak?
Well, I've been following the instructions, but in the end, I've got something weird instead of ships.
Not weird, but parts of the battle turret. So, well done, keep going.
Oh, so that's for the turret as well?
Yep, well, go on, make the ships. And I'll assemble the turret mechanism. To make it, we're gonna need this cardboard piece, paper tubes, wooden parts, and a couple of rubber bands. We'll glue the small paper tubes to big wooden pieces, like this. We'll glue this piece to the cardboard base. And this thingy goes through this part. Now, let's string our wooden parts onto the paper tube and insert it into the cardboard piece. Carefully. I only need to attach the rubber bands. Let's hook them like this. Here's what we have now. But before gluing this part, I've cut the tubes a bit so that the balls could easily roll along them. I'll apply some glue here. Oh, bubbles. And glue this weird piece to this one. A bit more glue. Oh. Okay. Bam! Here's what we have. Let's test it. Pew pew!
You are playing already? Without me?
No, you silly slime. Just testing.
Oh, alright then.
Hey, are the ships ready?
No, they're in progress.
Yeah, right, in progress. Cut the internet and there'll be progress.
I know. I feel like a slave working with you.
Come again?
Nothing. I'm off to make it.
That's right. Right. I only need to attach the back wall and make the handles. 1 and 2. It's for beauty and convenience. Oh, I've forgotten the target. Let's see. Hop! Let's glue it into place. Right here. Now we need to repeat everything to make the second turret. Be brave, Samantha. It's for a cardboard craft. Guys, I could use your support. Can you subscribe to the channel? Well done. Turrets are done. Pew, 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 pew. I need to attach it to the base. Where is it? Bingo! Right, I need to make the holes. It's a good thing the cardboard is soft. We can insert the sticks to hold the turrets better.
Let me make the holes in the turrets.
What? The fun part for you? No way.
Hey!
I'll do it myself. There. Great job, Samantha. Let's install them. They rotate and are ready to battle. I only need to assemble a few big pieces for the field. Let's go. And the last piece. Sam, where are the ships?
Here, look!
Wow, Mr. Samuel, you've even painted them.
What did you expect? I always give my 100%.
Yeah, right. I always hear that from Sue.
She's just jealous. And it's cool working with you.
Oh, unusual. Thanks.
Don't mention it. But I wouldn't say no to a reward.
A reward again? I eat candies myself, got it? So your only reward is the game itself.
Oh, well, fine. Set up the ships.
Oh, wow.
That's a real Warship battle game. Shiver me cheddars. Let's test it.
Okay, marbles go here. Ships go there. Oh, ready.
And fire!
Miss! Ready, aim, fire!
Oh, return fire!
Pew! Got it!
Oh no!
Yes!
Miss again!
Pew! Pew! Shoo!
Shoo you! You'll see fire!
And the last one. Pew! Oh, yes! Now that's fair. You won't win each time. I know you've learned some tricking.
No tricks, nothing like that.
So guys, if you like the Warship board game, give a thumbs up. And I'm off. I'm tired, Sam.
What? Off?
Bye-bye.
The game? But, Sam, Samantha, come on!